So, where to start? A good question. To be the best seller. Since your goal is very obvious, to be rich, the very core part is nothing but yourself. Ambition, healthy body condition, and if you have strong determinations on what you will achieve, figure out what you are interested in, and following your will can't be more important than anything else. Although you must face numerous difficulties in front, your unshakable faith on your passionate career will motivate you to move and encourage you to be competitive. Advantageous external environment for reaching your goal. For example, Elon Musk, who holds a very clear goal on what he will devote himself to. Space, renewable energy cars, human brain with AI and extra. All these marvelous and controversial continents are the best drivers for him to work on, to fund funds and to organize teams. So in order to realize his ambition dreams, starting companies, filling investments, IPOs, managing companies, all these business firms with numerous fightings or with unwilling compromise are must facilitate wills he use. Oh, and making money as long as he could maintain ongoing when changing the world. If you are confused or flexible enough to whatever something powerful and attractive like the most people, great! The most important thing is master faster learning abilities, hone your communication skills, and prepare yourself for the best anytime. Whatever you hold a traditional shining degree or not, lifelong process learning will become the key to stay hungry and stay foolish, and to keep yourself valuable. Many leading entrepreneurs don't graduate from MBA degree, or many excellent professionals don't only use what they have learned in school. Instead, they put their feet on the ground and learn anything they need to face and deal with in the real world at the fastest speed, absorbing nutrition, digesting lessons, keeping practice in their own ways. So if you have nothing, great! Acquiring fastest learning skills on anything. Yep, on anything if possible. Once an opportunity comes, whatever by chance or by your social networking efforts, the silver bullet will help you to flourish very soon. In essence, being best of yourself is the most powerful and hopeful thing in money-making journey. Want to know why? Keep watching.